Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by unlocking your iPhone and opening the Photos app so you can see what you're about to remove. Once the app is open, tap Library or Albums to find the target photos. Choosing albums helps isolate screenshots or selfies faster. Make sure to check Settings Photos for iCloud photos. If enabled, deleting here removes from all devices, so consider turning it off first if you only want local deletion. Now select the photos. Tap Select in the upper corner and tap each photo or drag across rows to pick many at once. You'll see the count at the top. Once selected, tap the trash icon and confirm Delete Photos to move them to Recently Deleted. This intermediate step prevents immediate permanent loss and gives you 30 days to recover items. If you need space immediately, continue to the next slide for permanent removal. To finish, go to Albums and open Recently Deleted, because files remain there for 30 days. Tap Select and then Delete All to permanently erase and reclaim storage. If Delete All is grayed out or photos reappear, make sure iCloud photo syncing isn't restoring them, then sign out or pause sync. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and retry. This often clears temporary glitches and allows deletions to complete successfully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.